Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are doing well. Wish you all the best. Today, we are discussing a very common topic of GST on sale of old vehicles. I may bring to your kind knowledge that our government has given a big relief on sale of old vehicles. Previously, it used to be taxed at the rate of 28% plus 15% surcharge, whatever. And now, if a diesel if a diesel driven vehicle of 1500 cc or more is disposed of, it shall be taxed at the rate of 18%. And in case of petrol driven, if it is of 1200 cc or more, it shall be taxed at 18%. Same is the case with LPG driven or CNG driven vehicles also. Up to 1200 cc, exceeding 1200 cc, it shall be taxed at the rate of 18%. In case government sells some old vehicles, it shall be the duty of the person buying the vehicle from the government, state government, central government, to pay GST on reverse charge basis. And if the government sells the old vehicles to some unregistered dealer, unregistered person who is not registered in GST, then that government department will have to get itself registered and pay GST on sale of old vehicle. It is a big relief given on sale of old vehicles. Now, how to calculate valuation for purpose of GST? It will be a difference between sale price and the written down value in the books of accounts. If assessee has claimed depreciation, and in case assessee has not claimed input credit on the vehicle and purchase is of dated prior to implementation of GST, that is 1/7/2017, in that case the rates applicable on sale of old vehicle shall be 65% of the rates applicable on sale as we discussed above. In case you have any query, you are most welcome to talk to me at my cell 98964 50904.